Alright, it is probably not recommended to go outside in the snow with a MetaQuest Pro on, but since we have update 47, the thing is like a head-mounted video camera, basically. So, hey, when the real world is kind of more interesting than VR, let me step outside my Guardian and go for a walk. See what I can show you. We had a snowstorm here last night and continuing. So the trees are covered with snow. Just being crazy, showing you. Wow, that's something else. There's a birch tree over here that's kind of sagging down a lot more than it usually is. And some of the branches have broken off. But this is just a quick video using the MetaQuest Pro as a head-mounted camera in a snowstorm. There's the canoe. All right, I'm going to go seek shelter. Because every time the wind comes, large chunks of snow fall off these trees. I don't want to be too goofy. Actually, I'm going to go throw some firewood in the furnace and back. So start a new video for that. If you find this kind of crazy and interesting, you can watch that. But look, I can see my Guardian from way back here. Running through the snow. VR, that's kind of crazy. All right. Yeah, join me on the next video.